Hey friends, grab some beads because today we're going to make a beaded lizard.
You will need pony beads, 6 feet of plastic cording, a pair of scissors, and a weaving pattern. We'll start by folding the cording in half. Then thread the beads to the point of the fold to form the lizard's nose. As you're working, remember to always consult the pattern for the number and color of beads to add. Thread beads onto the string on the right. Then thread the left cord through beads in opposite direction. Following the pattern, thread the beads onto the right string. And again thread the left cord through beads in opposite direction. With the exception of the lizard's legs and feet, we'll repeat these steps to form the rest of the lizard. For the legs and feet, we'll begin as usual by consulting the pattern for the number and color of beads to thread. Then thread the right string backwards through the first 2 beads. For the legs and feet on the left, thread beads onto the left string. And thread the left string backwards through the first 2 beads. And continue with the normal steps to form the rest of the lizard's body. Again, for the feet, begin as usual by consulting the pattern for the number and color of beads to thread. For the feet on the left, thread beads onto the left string. Thread left string backwards through the first 2 beads. And thread right string backwards through the first 2 beads. Continue the usual steps to form the rest of the lizard's body. Close off the weaving by tying a quadruple knot. Then snip the ends of the cording, apply some nail polish, and allow to dry. Then you can add a keychain ring if you'd like, and your lizard's all done. Great work!
I hope you had fun making a lizard. Click subscribe if you want some more videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.